Alright YouTube, so what you see here is my 60-inch Casablanca Holliston ceiling fan. I got this from Brandon C. Johnson back like a week ago for my birthday. And it's a really nice looking fan in my opinion. However, I'm not too much of a fan of a light kit. I've always been wanting one though. It's my first IntelliTouch ceiling fan and I'm so glad to get it. And yeah, just really excited to share this with you. So this fan's in bullion black with, I think it's called Ancient Veneer blades. Has a 60-inch blade span and has both an uplight and downlight. I'll show you the clips of those. And is controlled by a W85 IntelliTouch 3 wall control system. So without further ado, let's turn it on demo mode. Now for IntelliTouch 3 or IT3 ceiling fans, unfortunately demo mode can be a little quicker. So, yeah. Kind of scrapes a little bit because the flywheel is showing some wear and tear. Alright, so that's demo mode. With that being said, let's start up on speed 1. So low speed is probably the slowest speed I've seen on any fan, low speed, which is good. Has a restaurant kind of low, but it's just really slow. And I guess it captures the ambience of the fan. I guess that's why it's slow. But yeah. Speed 2. And as you're hearing, like I said, there's kind of some scraping because the flywheel is kind of old. Brandon had this for approximately 8 or 9. Yeah, approximately 8 or 9 years. So flywheel could have gotten warped by weather conditions or something. Speed 4. Speed 5. And high speed. It's a big jump from speed 5 to 5, or speed 5 to high speed, but it blows out a lot of air. And I'm not sure, as you can see, but the thing kind of wobbles on high, and the scraping is also kind of exacerbated by the faster RPMs. So overall, really nice. Blows out a great amount of air for the room. I think it's the biggest fan I own, to be honest. Alright, here's spin down. Overall, really happy to have this fan, and it's great. It's the biggest fan I've owned, but it also pushes out a great amount of air for the room, so it does the job it's supposed to. And I hope I can get other Casablancas like this, because this one's really cool. I'll see you in the next one, and yeah.